Right guys, this is what I'm working today.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Heatline boiler. The heating isn't working and nor is the hot water. Now somebody came down, changed the radiators on it, and then after that you couldn't get it to fire up. So I've been asked to diagnose it and repair it, and hopefully I'll be doing that in this video. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, the first thing, at least the pump is working, so the pump's working.
Okay guys, I'll tell you what the problem is. I know the pressure is a bit high too, but the boiler, I'm going to status thing, and it's saying to me the temperature is too low. It's got to be at least 15 Celsius. So I need to heat this area up. Right, how am I going to heat this area up? It's very cold in here, and the temperature is going to off frost protection. So I need to raise the temperature here. Right. I'll increase the temperature on it. Unfortunately, I just need to go to status. Yeah, status. I've got it to 24 Celsius, but I'm still not getting anything. So it's not anti-frost. So what we got? And temperature's coming down. 19. Right guys. This baby was not connected in properly. So I had to reconnect that. Right guys, okay, listen. What's this? There, let's open that. Okay, we got your room thermostat, yeah? That wire there. If you look back, let's close that. That's this one, yeah? And follow it back. That's this one, yeah? Follow around. There it is, yeah? Okay. So I'm gonna loop that. It's probably low voltage anyway, but I ain't taking that risk, come on. So what I'm gonna do is look. Fire it up. That's gone off. Hopefully that's off now. But I'll do my electric tests on it before I test the wire, and then we'll move on. Okay guys, I've looped it. I'm gonna make it safe, don't worry before I go. Right. I'll switch the power back on. Temperature's going. Let's see what happens now. Is the boiler gonna fire up? Or is the boiler not gonna fire up? Okay guys, the boiler's fired up. Temperature's going up. But I haven't still got the hot water working yet. So let's see what happens with this first. Give this 5 minutes and then we'll move on. Someone came down, changed the radiators on this boiler, and I don't know what he's done, man. So they couldn't get it to fire up after that. Right guys, the temperature is going to 26 Celsius and it's going up. Okay, it's warmish. The thing is, right, I need the tap working now. try to warm up. Oh, nice and hot now. Can you see steam coming out? Right. I'm gonna make that safe as well. Then. So guys, the tap water is working fine. Now it's going back to central heating. Temperature is going down. The reason it's going down, the pump is circulating. The boiler hasn't fired up, so hopefully within about 30 seconds to a minute the boiler is gonna fire up. Right guys, it's all fired up. Now why did we have this problem? It's fired up, the temperature will go up anyway. I'll come back to that. We had this problem because of that. See that orange wire? See that orange wire? That was disconnected. It wasn't on securely. Okay, and then on top of that, that wasn't the only problem. See the blue and blue orange wires? They were an open link. So the room start wasn't connected either. Okay. And that's basically it. Right guys, on this one, where should I start? Okay, basically the stats on this were in a frost mode. The boiler was in frost mode. So what was happening, basically the boiler was under 12 Celsius. When it goes under 15 Celsius, it goes into frost mode. So basically what happens, the pump just circulates around till the water temperature just comes to about 15 Celsius. But anyway, it wasn't doing that. It's been like this all day. So I had to get some hot water, put scare blanket and just put it around the thermistors to raise the temperature. That still didn't do the job. So I had to check on the circuit board, check what's going on the circuit board. And I seen that the red, the yellow, the orange cable, which is a bus, it's supposed to be a loop. That loop wasn't connected properly. We just, as soon as I pulled it, it fell out. So I had to re-secure it. Once I re-secured it, the boiler started fired up for a second. Then I put the central heating demand on. That wouldn't come on. So I asked the customer if there's where the room started. They didn't know where it was. So I followed the wire cables back and there was an open link there. So I've connected that, I made a loop on that, reconnected them, made them safe and secure. And now the boiler's fired up. It's all working fine now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right guys, the temperature on that is 34 Celsius, so it's gradually going up. The boiler has been, the burner's on, so it's working fine. I've tested hot water. I'm going to do a double test on the hot water again. But before I open the taps again, I'm going to check the radiators. Right guys, this is what I'm working today. If you're ever in Mold area and you want some shakes, some burgers, some loaded fries, baguettes, sandwiches, just pop down, man. This one, I might come down and treat myself one of these days and come out and see and give you a review on these guys. But today I'm just as a gas engineer and I'm just working here. Okay. Right guys, I'm here today.